Good evening, everyone. I am Payal, and today's topic is living and non living things. Children, do you know what is the living and non living things? Let us see. Living things means who can eat, breathe, drink, and can move one place to another place. So here first you can see cow. Cow is the living or non-living thing. As I said, the definition of living thing. Living can eat, can move, and can walk. So obviously, cow can eat. Yes, na? So cow is the living thing. And if living thing is it, so we have to write here L. Now car. Car can move one place to another place, but it can have food. Car have a life like a human being. So answer is no. What answer you got? Answer you got no. So it's a non-living things because it is made by human. That's why it's a non-living thing. Bird. This bird is living thing because it has a life, can eat, breathe, and can move one place to another place. Chair. Again, chair is the made by human being and it can eat, drink or breathe. So answer is no. That's why it is non-living thing. That's why we are writing here N. Next is dolphin. Dolphin is the water animal and it can move one place to another place and it has a life. That's why dolphin is the living thing. So we have to write here L. Drum. Drum is the living thing or non-living thing? So answer is non-living thing. Why drum is non-living thing? Because it is made by human being. So what answer should write here? Here have to write N. Non-living thing. Now see, one tree is here. So this tree having the life. Now you will say, Ma'am, tree is not able to move one place to another place. So how is it? But you see, this tree having the roots and life also. Sunlight, water, as how human being we need the water, then only we will be fresh. Like that, if you will not give water to the plant, what it will happen? the next few days after it will die. Yes, so then you get to know, yes, plant and tree also having the life, but only the things they can't move one place to another place, but plant or trees having the life. So that's why it is the living thing. Once again we will repeat. Cow. Cow is the living thing. Car is the non-living thing. Bird is living. Tree is this chair is non-living thing. Dolphin living thing. Drum non-living thing. And tree is the living thing. Now here the topic is given. Where did it come from? Where did it come from? So, circle the food we get from plant. The food we get from plant. And tick the food we get from animals. So here we have to circle the thing that what we get from the plant. So vegetables and fruits we get from the plant, so we have to circle. Now rice. Rice also, it's a part of plant. Yeah, with the help of crops we get the rice. So have to circle. Now orange juice. Orange is the, it's come from tree. That's why what we have to do? We have to circle. Honey. Honey, it's come from the plant or a tree? So answer is no. It's come from honey bee. It means animal. So we have to tick. Papaya. Papaya we get from plant or animal? So answer is plant. That's why circle. Chicken or meat or any flashes we get from animals. That's why we have to tick. Bread. Do you know, children? Bread, it's made by wheat. And wheat come from plant. That's why what I have to do? Circle or tick? So answer is circle. Now butter. Butter, do you know? Butter is made by, so butter is made by milk. Yes. And milk comes from animal. So tick. Milk also tick. And egg also tick. Why? Because egg comes from animal. Now next, what we have to do? Natural and man-made. Yeah, good question. Now, next is natural and man made things. Means, what is the made by human being? It means the natural, and what is the no man made? Means no one made. It's automatically or it's already there. So no person made that things. That kind of things is called natural things. Yes, like a tree or plants we made children. No, it's automatically it's there in earth before comes to us or anyone. So circle the things that made by human and natural things we have to take. So tree is the natural. So I should tick. Now books. Books is made by human being. So what should I do here? I have to circle because it is the man made thing. Now deer. Deer is the man made? No. Toy we made but it is the natural. Okay, so tick. Houses. Houses is made by people, human being. That's why circle. Mango. Mango, it's a natural. So tick. These playing things made by human. Circle. Rock. Rock is the made by someone? No. It's a natural. So tick and circle. I hope so you understand now what is the natural things and man made. Now next topic is wild animal. Wild animal, what is the wild animal? There is the three types of animal. So there is a three types of animals means what? One is the pet animal. Pet animal means we can keep at home. Like what we can keep at home? Like a dog, cat, or parrot, or what we can keep at home. So this cat, dog, parrot, or any small bird we are keeping at home. Yes, so that is pet animal. What is the domestic animal? Domestic animal, we are giving one shelter to stay, like a cow, pig, buffalo, horse. These animal human beings using for their benefits, like horse is like one place to another place to go we are using. Then cow give us milk, that's why we are keeping cow also. Take caring cow. Hen give us egg, that's why we are take caring these animals to get something, that's why this you remember it is domestic animal. Next, our topic is wild animal. Now, what is the wild animal? Those animals stay in a jungle, living in a jungle. That animals called wild animal. Like you can see here, lion, fox, zebra, hippopotamus, tiger, elephant, giraffe, deer. Yes, and you are very familiar to these all the names. Now, here in each name, first letter it's missing. First letter is missing. So, what is the question is given? Fill in the missing letter and read out the names this wild animal. Means what the name is missing that we have to see and write here. Now see here, lion. Which letter comes? L. Fox, F. Zebra, Z. Hippopotamus, H. Tiger, T. Elephant, E. Giraffe, G. And deer, D. So here we read it loudly also and we wrote the missing letters. Now our next topic, wild or domestic animal. Wild or domestic animal. Write W for a wild animal and D for the domestic animal. So this topic we will see to the next class.